Can you imagine your salary not only being enough, but actually propelling you toward your biggest dreams? It's totally possible. Today, we're going to reveal powerful and practical strategies to make your money work twice as hard for you, transforming your present and building a future full of freedom and opportunity. Get ready to take control. Your salary is the engine of your personal finances, and there are many ways to make it more powerful. It's not just about working more, but also about working smarter and more strategically. Let's explore how. Don't underestimate your value. Researching average salaries for your position and experience in your region is your first step. Armed with this solid information, you'll be able to negotiate a raise with your employer, presenting a compelling case based on your performance and the value you bring. Remember that preparation is key. Document your achievements, successful projects, and how you've contributed to the company's growth. Present this information confidently and professionally, demonstrating why you deserve that pay raise. The world is changing rapidly, and with it, the most in-demand skills. Investing in your education and professional development is one of the best investments you can make. Acquire new skills that will make you indispensable in the job market. Think about digital skills, languages, project management, or even soft skills like communication and leadership. These will allow you to access better opportunities and, therefore, more competitive salaries, increasing your value and earning potential. Don't get stuck. There's always the next level. Actively seek growth opportunities within your company, such as promotions or roles with greater responsibility. Demonstrate initiative and a willingness to take on new challenges. If your current company doesn't offer the career path you're looking for, don't be afraid to explore the job market. Sometimes, a change of scenery can mean a significant jump in your salary and professional development. Your career is your most important project. A salary isn't just the number in your bank account. Consider your total compensation package. Benefits like life insurance, health plans, performance bonuses, or even flexible hours can have considerable economic value. These benefits can reduce your personal expenses or provide you with security that you would otherwise have to pay for. Learn to negotiate and value these extras, as they improve your overall compensation and your quality of life. Why depend on a single source of income? The digital world has opened up endless possibilities. Consider freelance work, consulting in your area of expertise, or even starting a small side business that you're passionate about. From tutoring, creating content, selling handmade goods or services online, to investing in real estate, every extra income adds up. These activities not only increase your capital, but also give you new skills and experiences. Earning more is only half the equation. The other half is knowing how to manage what you have. Smart budgeting allows you to stretch every euro, peso, or dollar, ensuring your money works toward your goals. A budget isn't a straitjacket, it's your financial roadmap. Carefully track your income and expenses for at least a month. This will reveal exactly where your money is going and allow you to identify areas where you can optimize. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook. The important thing is to be clear. By seeing your spending patterns, you'll be able to make informed decisions and allocate your money consciously towards your priorities. Once you have your budget, you'll be a spending detective. Identify and eliminate those vampire expenses that drain your money without adding real value. Unused subscriptions, excessive meals out. It's time to take action. It's not about depriving yourself of everything, but about being mindful. Small changes like making your own coffee at home or planning your meals can free up a surprising amount of money each month. Every euro counts. What are you saving for? A dream trip? A down payment on a house? Your education? Retirement? Setting short, medium, and long-term savings goals will give you purpose and keep you motivated. Make them specific and achievable. Visualize the outcome of your savings. This will transform the act of saving money from an obligation to an exciting pursuit of your dreams. Celebrate every small achievement along the way to stay motivated. Make saving easy and automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to your savings account right after you receive your paycheck. This way, paying yourself first becomes an effortless habit. When saving is automatic, you don't have to think about it, it just happens. This strategy eliminates the temptation to spend that money and ensures that your financial goals move forward steadily and without interruption. Don't let your money sit idle in a checking account. Look for savings accounts that offer higher interest rates. Although the rates may seem small, over time, compound interest can grow your money significantly. Research different banks and financial platforms. Make sure you understand the requirements and conditions. Your money deserves to work as hard as you do, and a high-yield account is a great place to start. Bank fees are silent thieves of your money. Use your own bank's ATMs to avoid withdrawal fees. Review your bank account and look for options that allow you to avoid maintenance or transfer fees. Consider online banks, which often have lower or non-existent fee structures. Every euro you save in fees is a euro you can put toward your savings or investments. Be a guardian of your money. Debt, especially high-interest credit card debt, is a drag on your financial progress. Prioritize paying off these debts as soon as possible. Every interest payment is money that's gone and never comes back. Consider methods like the snowball approach, paying off the smallest debt first to build momentum, or the avalanche approach, paying off the highest interest debt first to save more money. Getting out of debt is freeing yourself. Complying with your tax obligations is essential. Paying your taxes on time will avoid unnecessary surcharges, fines, and headaches. Keep an organized record of your income and deductible expenses. If you're an entrepreneur or freelancer, consider setting aside a percentage of your income regularly for your taxes. Tax planning is a crucial part of smart and responsible financial management. Once you have your finances in order and a cushion of security, it's time to put your money to work. Investing is the key to building long-term wealth and achieving true financial freedom. Don't let your money sit idle. Consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. These vehicles have the potential to grow your capital significantly over the long term, outpacing inflation. Start with small amounts if necessary. The important thing is to get started and stay consistent. Learn about different types of assets and choose those that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a fundamental strategy for protecting your capital. Distribute your money across different types of investments, sectors, and geographies. If one investment doesn't perform as expected, others can compensate. This reduces your portfolio's overall risk and gives you greater peace of mind. A diversified portfolio is a more resilient portfolio. Long-term investing is where compound interest really shines. The longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow and multiply. Resist the temptation to react to short-term market fluctuations. Think of your investments as seeds you plant today to harvest a forest in the future. Patience and perseverance are your best allies on the path to building wealth. Before jumping into investing, make sure you have a robust emergency fund. This should cover between 3 and 6 months of your essential expenses. It's your safety cushion against unforeseen events such as job loss or unexpected medical expenses. This fund will give you peace of mind and prevent you from having to sell your investments at a bad time if an emergency arises. It's the foundation on which you'll build your financial empire. If you're looking for a low-risk option for part of your money or for your emergency fund, money market funds can be an excellent option. These invest in short-term fixed-income assets, offering liquidity and stability. Although their returns aren't as high as other investments, they're a safe option for growing your money slightly faster than a traditional savings account while maintaining quick access to your funds. Money management isn't just about numbers, it's about your overall well-being. Here are some additional tips to ensure your financial journey is sustainable and rewarding. Keeping a consistent record of your expenses allows you to monitor your financial health in real time. This not only helps you stay within your budget, but also motivates you by seeing your progress and how your habits impact your goals. Review your expenses weekly or monthly. Identify patterns, celebrate your successes, and adjust where necessary. This habit empowers you and keeps you connected to your financial reality. In addition to your main emergency fund, consider having small funds for minor unexpected events. A broken appliance, a car repair, or an unexpected trip to the vet. Having these small savings pots prevents you from having to dip into your main emergency fund, or worse yet, your credit card. Preparation is the key to financial peace of mind. Your emotional salary is just as important as your monetary salary. Look for a job that you're passionate about, that gives you personal satisfaction, and that allows you to grow. A job you enjoy reduces stress and increases your productivity and overall well-being. Invest in your health, your education, your relationships, and your passions. These investments not only improve your quality of life, but can also open doors to new opportunities and greater earning potential. You don't have to do it alone. If you're feeling overwhelmed or just want to optimize your strategies, consider seeking the advice of a certified financial advisor. They can offer you personalized recommendations. A good advisor will help you create a tailored financial plan, understand the complexities of the market, and make informed decisions. It's an investment in your future that can pay off big. Congratulations! You've taken the first crucial step toward transforming your relationship with money. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only maximize your salary, but you'll also build a solid foundation to achieve all your financial goals and live the life you truly desire. Now is your time to act. Don't let this information stay only in your mind. Choose one of these strategies today and put it into practice. Are you going to review your budget, automate your savings, or explore a new skill? Share this knowledge with your friends and family so they too can double the power of their income. Your financial future awaits, and it's in your hands to build it.